Hey everyone, this will be an Amazon renewed excellent shape Samsung S25 Plus. I paid $695 plus taxes for this. For those that want to know, that is the company from the one I bought. So Celmigo. And when I bought mine, and still, it actually has no reviews on it whatsoever. So hopefully this will turn out well. Again, $695. Right now they're on sale for $850 brand new. Yeah, so this is the first time I've seen this. I already opened this thing up somewhat. I just got up to this point. I cut this open. But it requires an unlock code. I don't know what this is talking about. I do not have any serial number. There's no serial number on this box. And it was shipped through FedEx. There's nothing on the FedEx container either. So let's hope it is actually unlocked and not locked by this. Unless it's in the box here. Okay, so it's on the bottom of this box, but I've never seen that before in my dealings with unlocked stuff. So there's no cable or anything else in there, which is really weird. This is going to be the navy blue. There it is. I mean, this phone's not that old. I mean, it didn't come out too crazy long ago. And so far, this thing looks like it is basically brand new. I do not see any sort of scratching at all, which is very good. You know, that looks, let's see. Okay, there's a little bit of something. Nope, that was just something on it. Yeah, no, that looks, let's look at the screen here. From what I can tell, this looks basically brand new. I went ahead and I just plugged it in. See, it's at 80% charge. I'm going to go ahead and turn this thing on, and we'll go ahead and set it up, and hope everything is actually unlocked. So it just came up with AT&T. That's a very bad sign. I bought one of these from Best Buy last week before. Had the same exact thing, and it was actually locked to AT&T. So let's see what happens here. Alright, so you guys can see here, it does say activate through AT&T. That's a very bad sign. Hopefully the message on this box will be true. We'll stick my SIM card. We'll see what happens. But again, this is what happened with me, to me, from Best Buy. Same phone, same situation. Let's see what happens here. But we'll keep on going. Alright, so I'm going to insert my SIM card. It says I should do it now. So again, I have Verizon. Oh, I hit something on accident there. So let's see what happens when I enter in a code here. And we'll see what happens. Right, I entered in the serial number like we said to do. And let's see. Let's cross our fingers. So I think they sold me a locked phone just like Best Buy did. So I have it completely set up now. I don't know what to think of this. I turned off my Wi-Fi. And you guys can see here, I do have Verizon, and it's saying I do have 5G ultra wide, but everything is showing AT&T. Like when you turn off the phone, turn on, it comes up with AT&T. See right here, it has AT&T stuff on it. But you go to my SIM card, in the settings, it shows Verizon. And again, there's no Wi-Fi right now. And I'll show you guys, this actually is working. So it's very weird, but it looks to be unlocked. You guys let me know what you think. I've never had this happen before. I've never seen that before. But yeah, otherwise, besides from that weirdness, this thing is basically brand new looking Samsung S25 Plus. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a good one. See you next time. Goodbye.